Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. The internet's been alive lately with talk of AI chatbots changing the world. But a bot is just a name for an automated program. And for all the good bots, there are plenty of bad bots, such as malware bots. They're a growing security risk, and you need to check that your business is fully defended against them. Criminals can use these bots to steal whole user profiles. That's a complete snapshot of your ID and settings. Potentially, they can allow them to bypass strong security measures. Here's how to make life harder for them. Use a password manager and multi-factor authentication to secure your login details. Keep your antivirus active and updated to spot malware before it infects your system. And use file encryption so there's less to steal if an attack is successful. We protect our clients every day. If you need a system check to make sure you're fully defended, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.